welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a plant related video. I will be repotting 4 of my plants that I have right now. One of them will be my Fittonia. It is the pink vein one. She's getting a little big for her pot, so I need to put her in a little bit bigger one. And I'm going to be doing my jade, which needs to go in a bigger pot, obviously. It's definitely outgrowing it. And this one, I think it's a type of Crassula. I'm not 100% sure. If you know what this is exactly, then please comment below and tell me. It has been growing rapidly. When I got it for like $2.99, I think at Walmart. And it was in a lot smaller, like this big of a pot, and now it's just getting huge. And this was sticking straight up, but my cat got into it and smushed it down. So yeah, hopefully she perks back up. So yeah, and then I'm also going to be repotting, and we'll save this one for last, my golden pothos clipping. She's got plenty of roots down here. This is a new leaf that popped up last week. So I'm going to be putting her in her first pot. So first I'm going to start with, I guess, my jade. I'm going to do it first. And I had my jade in this big pot just sitting in here. I'm still going to keep it in there because I love this pot, but it doesn't have any holes, so I can't, and I'm not dealing with drilling a hole. So I'm going to be putting her in this and then going into that. So let's start this mess. And I've got my potting soil right here with me. I'm not going to be using that. Okay, so first I'm going to just start by putting some soil in here. A little bit on the bottom. Let me point you down so you can see better. There we go. Sorry if it's a little wobbly. I'm on my kitchen table, so everything's moving. So let's get you in here. She's gotten a lot bigger too. Quite dry right now, but that's okay for the jades, I'm sure. I'm actually filming this on Christmas Eve, so that's a little crazy, but we had no plans today for Christmas Eve, so tomorrow's gonna be the crazy day. Christmas Day is always the crazy day around here. I have a feeling my jade's going to be a lot happier in this. And there we go. There she is, all happy in there. And I am going to water these because they haven't been watered for about 2 days. So I'm going to go ahead and water them. Put her back in here because she looks pretty in this pot. So there's that one. And I'm gonna just dump the soil out. So I'm going to be reusing this pot. And I'm making a mess. So now I'm going to be moving. Which one was I moving? Oh yeah, this one. Into this one. It's a little bit bigger. It's more wide than anything, but I think it'll be good for it. There's my cat. She's eating. Okay, let's get her out of here. Yeah, there we go. Just a little bit more soil. And I'll tell you what, for me not knowing exactly what plant this one is, I'm shaking that camera like something awful. For me not knowing exactly what this plant is, I'm pretty sure it's a type of Cursula, but I'm just not sure the exact, type. For me not knowing what the exact one is, it does very well. I have it in my kitchen window because one thing I know about Cursulas is they love sunlight, and she definitely loves her sunlight. So, and there she is, all happy in there. I'll be glad when that straightens up. And then I'll put her back in the container she was in, just like that. And she sets up in my kitchen window. So we have that one all done now. And then my Fittonia. And by the way, a little trick, I'm sure a lot of you plant lovers know this, but if you don't have anything to trap your water in for these, if you have extra spare plastic lids, they work perfectly. That's what I use on some of mine. And I'll also get some of these from like Lowe's for like 20 cents for these. So, yeah, my Fittonia has just grown and grown and grown. She's one of my favorites because she tells me whenever she needs water. And I like a plant that tells me when they need water. So. Yeah. She's looking pretty good considering the small pot she was in. We'll just try to break this up a little bit. Not too much. Don't want to stress her out too much with it. I'm almost out of potting soil. I need to get some more. Oh, got a dead leaf. Don't want to keep that. I love seeing the plants that are growing fast. Like my prayer plant. Oh my gosh, I'm making a new plant out of it. In about a month or two, I'll be able to repot it too. And I'm actually doing that one for my dad because he wants a prayer plant for his office. So. Got one more dead leaf I just found. Happens. And I'll be doing another repotting video in a couple of months, which by then I'll be moved into my new house because me and my husband just bought a house and it's a lot bigger and nicer than the house we're in now. So there's that, looking all nice. And then I'm gonna scoop all this out, all this old dirt. I just did my nails earlier, now I'm getting them all dirty. Typical. Now, this one I'm gonna put my golden pothos in because it's a small pot. It is terracotta. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna put it on a shelf in my living room. A little bit. bit in the bottom here. I can't wait to see this one just grow and grow and grow. Because just in 2 months, this is what it's became. And it was just these two, and then this new one popped up, and it's got all the good roots. I have a normal pothos propagating right now, and then I have my mom's clippings of her pothos, because her pothos, she killed it. She left it in direct sunlight and it fried all the leaves off. So I had to cut up in several pieces the vine of it. And so I'm propagating them, and as soon as those sprout enough roots and leaves, I'm going to repot it. And by then I'll be able to repot my prayer plant too, along with my regular pothos. So that's another video coming in a couple of months. So can't wait for that. Let's get this baby in here. A little bit of dirt on the leaves. That's okay though. Dirt happens. I need a shirt that says dirt happens. Because it does. Push this down real good. We'll add just a tad bit more. There is a high root over here on this side. Make sure it has somewhere to go. There we go. Start to my pothos. That's gonna look so cute on. I can't wait to see this baby grow and just start going out. Can't wait. So that is all the plants that I repotted today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next video.